All right, back at the do-it-yourself lumber yard. Huge barn they knocked down, and they're allowing us to scavenge and salvage whatever we can. I'll show you what we got in about an hour. Let's see. This is about an hour of loading. Good stuff for all different kinds of projects and things to come. There's just tons of wood here. It's a shame to see this get burned, or that's probably what'll happen. They'll probably just let people pick the metal out and then probably just burn the rest, to be my guess. But yeah, there's a lot. Plenty of wood free for the taking.